this video, we will be healing any skin related issues which we are facing through Ho'Oponopono chanting. Everything in the universe is made of energy, and our skin is no different. When we get into skin issues, we pass lot of negativity to our skin, which makes it worse. So through this chanting, let's talk to our skin and pass positive vibes, positive energy, so that the healing can start. Sit back in a very comfortable position. Close your eyes. Keep right hand on your heart and take few deep breaths and release. Repeat the sentences along with me to get the best results. Let's begin. I take 100% responsibility of all the skin issues which I am facing today. Dear skin, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear skin, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, my dear skin, for not taking good care of you every single day. I'm really sorry, my skin, for complaining about you, for cribbing about you, and for passing negative vibes whenever I see you and feel you. Please forgive me, my dear skin, for comparing you with others. Please forgive me for not investing my time, my energy, my effort, and my money to make you better and to make you clear and glowing. Please forgive me, dear skin, for expecting too much from you and not giving my 100% to you to make you better. Thank you, my dear skin, for always being with me, for giving me a wonderful look even when I don't take care of you at all. Thank you, my dear skin, for not leaving me the way I have left you on your own. Thank you so much, my dear skin, for protecting me from any external interferences, germs, or anything which could harm me. I love you, dear skin. I love taking care of you every single day. I love prioritizing you over any other thing because I know you are the most important element of my body. Dear skin, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear skin, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I promise to take care of you every single day from now on. I love you the way you are, the way you look. and I love everything about you because you are mine. Now you can take a deep breath and release any negativity which you are still feeling for your skin. You can slowly open your eyes and you can repeat this chanting as many as times you feel during the day. Whenever you have a negative thought or a negative emotion about your skin, you can simply chant the 4 phrases saying, "Dear skin, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you." Once you start passing the positive vibes, the healing energy to your skin, it will start becoming better and better because everything is energy, including our skin. So hope this was useful for you. Please like, please comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, because I'll be posting many videos related to Ho'Oponopono and how you can use it in various areas of your life. Please share it with at least 3 of your friends who would like to listen about this. If you want to practice healing with me live, you can click the link in the description box and join my WhatsApp group, and I'll see you inside. Thank you so much.